Good day, everyone. This dish is inspired from Persian food called Albaloo Polo or sour cherries rice. Wash the rice 4 to 5 times or until it's less cloudy. Add water and salt. And let it sit for at least 30 minutes. For the saffron water, take about 2 pinches of saffron, add a pinch of salt and grind until fine. An advice from my Persian mother-in-law, never use saffron thread without grinding it first. So another way to bloom saffron is to use ice cubes and let it melt. I use about 3 ice cubes. For the cherries, these are frozen cherries and thawed. Add sugar and let it simmer on low heat. These were not so sour cherries unlike what is on the original recipes, so you can just add a bit of lemon juice if you prefer. For the meatballs, mix minced beef with grated onion, salt, black pepper powder, chili powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, turmeric and sweet paprika powder. Mix until the ingredients are well incorporated. I will grind this in the food processor because the onions are not finely grated. Grind this in 2 batches so your machine will not be damaged. Take a small amount, then roll the meat into a ball. This dish can also be served with chicken. So, when the water is released from the cherries, add saffron water and butter. Strain the juice and set aside until needed. For the rice, bring water to boil and once boiling, add the rice. Boil the rice for about 5 to 6 minutes over high heat. The rice needs to be only 80% cooked. Strain the rice and rinse with cold water to stop it from cooking and to remove the remaining starch. Rice is still hard from the outside. So in the same pan, put some oil, add some saffron water, and swirl the pan to mix it. Put thinly sliced potatoes for tahdig or the crispy bottom rice, and slowly put about 4 to 6 ladle rice on the first layer. Add about 4 to 5 spoons of the cherries and 4 to 5 tablespoons of cherry juice or syrup. And about 2 to 3 tablespoons of saffron water. Cover and let it cook over high heat until the steam comes out. It is about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add some oil and water. Cover with clean kitchen towel and turn the heat to medium-low or low and let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just before serving, sear the meatballs over medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Because the meatballs are small, it does not need long time to cook. Shake the pan frequently or turn the balls every 2 minutes to ensure even cooking. Kindly like this video if you find this interesting. Thank you so much. Your support is highly appreciated. When it is already fried, add about 3 tablespoons syrup for extra delicious taste. And let it simmer for another 1 minute. And it's done. Loosen the rice and transfer it on your favorite serving dish. Sprinkle some slivered pistachios or almonds. Drizzle some syrup, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and arrange the meatballs on the platter. Serve with Persian yogurt and some sabzi or Persian herbs. Thank you so much for watching. Nushijan, enjoy your meal. Bye!